lines.
Hi everyone, welcome to my second video, and today I'll be reviewing Tomtac Tri-case, which is a case for iPad Pro. I have the 12.9 inches 2020 version in green and orange. I really like this case. The material feels really expensive. Definitely feel more expensive than the Zugu case, although it's a lot cheaper than the Zugu case. It is very pretty. The design is a lot nicer as well. I don't want to be comparing to Zugu case too much, but I think Zugu case is like that one case out there that everybody like agree that is the best. And I actually bought this thinking that it might be something better with a better design, and nobody was reviewing it, so I just kind of jumped into something that I have no idea about. And here you go. The first good thing about this case is that it has this portrait mode, which not a lot of cases have available. It doesn't look that stable now because I don't have the iPad in, but it's actually pretty nice with the weight of the iPad. The next thing would be this multiple viewing angle that you have from the magnetic sides of the hard case. It's not the best thing ever. It's gonna get you there. However, like if you're pushing it too hard, it will flap. But who would do that to their iPad, right? Um, let's see how it looks like with the iPad in. I hate putting this thing in, but okay, here you go. It fit very nicely. I do think it's fit a lot better than a Zugu case. Like there's no edges that is not fully covered or any like weird putches to the film protector. I have a matte screen protector on, and it completely was not impacted by the case. With the weight of the iPad is a little bit better than what I showed you guys just now. It's still not the best thing ever. The next angle would be the drawing angle, which is another thing I like about this case, because this angle is actually very, very comfortable, and it's also very stable. I was able to draw a few pieces with this case. However, it's not very good on your lap. It's the best on table. And I'll show you here why is it better than the other cases out there. We have the Zugu case here. Like the Zugu case writing angle would be still a lot higher than what the Tomtac case is. And I find the Zugu case best when you use it on your lap. But on the table, definitely Tomtac angles is a lot better for drawing. If you're not the type of people who care about this angle as much, then you know have to take this into consideration. Um, Again, I think this is the nicest design of the case out there. The hard case also very solid. Like I feel like it will protect my iPad. I actually dropped my iPad twice and it's still fine. There's also a flip in the back here that make it easier to take picture, which is pretty nice. So that's another thing. Like, and which is the major drawbacks that I makes me decided to return this case is the fact that the magnetic is not as strong in the back, and basically you have the thing flapping around all the time. And I'm gonna demonstrate, like, if you're using the iPad on your lap in the viewing angle and then somehow accidentally flap it over, it could go like that. It could go all the way flapping around, and just it's not gonna come back. It's not gonna stick together. You always gonna have to deal with that flapping around, and it's just getting a bit annoying when you have to move around a lot. So, and see, like, it feels like, although the material feels very good, but because it's flapping so much, I was thinking like it might break in the future. What I have here is this magic tape thingy, which I thought I would put it on so that I can hold them together, but then it would jeopardize the design. And I mean, like, why do I even have pick the good design one if I'm gonna do that through it? So here you go. I decided to got the Zugu case. Sadly, I wish Tomtac came up with a stronger magnetic for the next version, if there will be any, because I totally still like this design better than like any other case out there. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. For today, bye.